Shri Debashish Samantrai. I have the privilege to be with him in Daughters Club.
ଶୁଣିଲେ ତ କୋଉ କଥାକୁ କୋଉ କଥା ଭାରତର ଉପରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି ମାନ୍ୟବର ଧନକଡ଼ ସାରେ କାହିଁକି ଆମ ସାଂସଦ ଦେବାଶିଷ ସାମନ୍ତରାୟ ଋଷି ଭାଇଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ଏମନ୍ତ କଥା। ଡଟର୍ସ କ୍ଲବରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି। ସବୁ କଥା ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଭିଡିଓଟିକୁ ଆରମ୍ଭରୁ ଶେଷ ଯାଏ। ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ, ସେୟାର କରିବେ ଆଉ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ ନ କରିଥିଲେ ଟିକେ ଦୟାକରି କରିଦେବେ।
Shri Debashish Samantrai. Shri Debashish Samantrai birthday is today. Shri Debashish Samantrai, a member of Rajya Sabha, representing the state of Odisha since April 2024, is serving his first term in this August House. His illustrious public life includes his contributions as a member of Odisha Legislative Assembly for 3 terms, 2000 to 2004, 2009 to 2014, and 2014 to 2019, and as chairman of Odisha Tourism Development Corporation 2006 to 2009. He has also served as the president of the Football Association of Odisha. A graduate in philosophy and economics, Shri Samantrai takes keen interest in promotion of Odisha's art and culture. Shri Debashish Samantrai is married to Srimati Vitasta Samantrai, and the couple are blessed with daughters Vidisha, Mirasha, and Chitra Gada. I have the privilege to be with him in Daughters Club. I too have a daughter. We too have a daughter.